Hi, this is the current condition of my wood floors. Recently, tenants moved out, and I see all these scratches all over the place. And this one here, and there is another one. There are some big spots over here. All these scratches. So, what I'm going to do is here are a couple more scratches here. So one plan is to have this thing sand it down to the bare wood and then restain it. But I'm going to try a different method, and let's see how the results come up. I found this product, Polyshades, at Lowe's. Well, they say it is for the furniture. Not for use on floors. So what I'm going to do is, of course, this is my own choice. I'm taking this step. What I did is I actually spray the damaged area. This one was lightly sprayed without sanding, and this is the area I sprayed after sanding with the 60 grit sandpaper. This one right here. So this looks really cool. I know they are saying not for the floor use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint all these spots, this one, and the other similar spots in the floor. And then after that, I'm going to do one coat of this thing. Lowe's had it before, but they don't carry it in their stores anymore. So I bought it from Amazon. So after I spray with the Polyshade, I'm going to apply one coat of this thing, complete one step floor finish. So I think I can cover up all these scratches and damages in the floor. So I'll show you the results after I'm done with this. I'll post another video with the results and see if and we'll see how it comes out. All right, thank you. I'll see you soon.